Hey guys, Eric here with Quick Flip, and today's video is about me showing you how I use Graham Stephans dividend reinvesting ideas to go ahead and make a substantial amount of money with constant money flowing into my account. So let me go ahead and show you guys. Check this out. So Graham Stephans was recommending that you can make steady income off dividend paying stocks, so I went ahead and did that. I went ahead and purchased some. So the first stock that we're going to be reviewing and showing you guys is going to be Dynex Capital. So Dynex Capital under marker DX, when you look it up, pays a, let's see, 8.1 dividend yield. So for example, I just got a dividend payment from Dynex Capital. I only put $1,000 in, and I received $6.74 on the first month. Now, the good thing about this is actually that they're going to be paying me. Let me zoom in for you guys. Is that a little bit better? Okay, good. So they're going to be paying me $6.74 for the rest of my life every month. So that's $6.74 a month. And let's go ahead and calculate that for you guys. So $6.74 times 12. So I'll be making $80 a year for free just for having money invested in Dynex Capital. So you can choose to either get a check in the mail, or you can choose to have the dividends reinvest itself. So these $6.74 would actually go back into the same stock, and after 3 months I would have another share for free, because basically the stock is at $19. So in 3 months, almost 4 months, a little bit less, I would have one free stock again. So that would be another 13 cents free that I would be receiving. So once I went ahead and noticed how good this was paying me, I went ahead and dropped in another 1,500 into it. So now next month I'll be getting 129 shares and multiplied times 13 cents, which is going to be, let's see, $16.77. So I'm going to be making $16.77 every month from now on. I'm going to go ahead and try to put $1,000 into stock each month. So every 1,000 I'm going to add is literally going to give me $6 more. So right there, I'm calculating that in about 6 months I should be getting about $60. Maybe a little bit less, actually, like $50 or $60. So right there, these $50 or $60, you can ask to have a check sent to you by mail, and you can actually use this money to pay your cell phone, to pay your gym membership. I mean, I'm literally going to use it to pay my cell phone and my gym membership. At the beginning, though, the first year I'm going to be doing this, I'm actually going to be using all of it just to reinvest, so I can get a couple of free stocks, extra shares. And then, you also get compound interest from the reinvestment, which grows at another rate. I'm not sure what the rate is. I would have to look it up because each individual stock is different. But you do get compound interest, which they're saying that if you do this, for 40 years, you would have like about $3 or $4 million. So that's pretty cool. So the first one I strongly recommend, firsthand from me, personal experience, is Dynex Capital. Dynex Capital is paying really well, and my stock is actually, I think lifetime I'm down like maybe $15, a little bit less. But the other day, about 3 or 4 days ago, I was actually up. So you don't really look at the stock prices. As long as you have your shares, you're fine. And the stock is trending over time to be heading upwards. So every year stocks go up. So don't worry about that. There's sometimes that the stocks go down really low. It's called a market crash. But that happens maybe every 20 years, maybe more. And it's really only lasts about a year. And it slowly progresses upwards. So in general, stocks are always going to be going up. Period. I mean, unless the company goes out of business, it's not a good company. There's really, if you have a solid investment portfolio, you should always be going up, and you should always be positive. So don't worry about market crashes and stock crashes. And honestly, when a stock market crashes, it's the best time to buy. So if I were you, I'd always have money saved in case that happens. Okay, the next stock we're going to go over is Aberdeen Income Credit Strategies Fund, which is marker ACP. So this one is $11.30 per share, and this one pays a dividend of 12.2. So this is actually the next one I'm going to do. I'm going to be purchasing with the next 1,000 I put in. because this one pays an even higher dividend, so I should be making even more money off my dividend reinvestment. And I'm going to put the drip on that too. Well, this is really good. This is like fantastic. Definitely recommend doing this. You know, obviously you want to buy and sell stocks that are going, you know, trending up and down that you can make a quick buck. Like I purchased AMC and I made about $800 on AMC in about 2 days. So, you know, you want to buy some stocks when they're low, and you want to buy some stocks in general to sell. But then you also always want to diversify your portfolio, and you want steady income. So this is a good idea for steady income. The Aberdeen Income Credit Strategy Funds is really good, the ACP. So I would strongly recommend adding this to your portfolio. This will give you good dividends, good balance, you know, so when the stock market's going down, you're still getting paid every month. This dividend also pays monthly, so this is really good too. The next one that we're going to be talking about is Prospect Capital. Prospect Capital is, let's see here. Prospect Capital is at $8.28 right now. So this is really low price, and it yields a dividend of 8.6. So that's really good. Let's see, DX. DX was at 8.18. So this one actually yields a better dividend. It's cheaper. So I might honestly put some money in Prospect Capital. I don't know if I'll do it before the ACP because I feel like the ACP is better right now. But definitely it's good money to be made here on the dividend yield. It's 8.69. And with this right here, should be getting steady income. I mean, honestly, if you're making $100 a month doing nothing, that's an extra $1,200 a year. You know, and imagine doubling that and investing twice as much. You'll be making $2,400 a year just off dividends. That's not even the stock price, which you can liquidate at any moment. Any moment you can just sell your stocks and get all your money back. But you want to think about, you know, money working for you, not you working for money. So definitely, you know, if I can raise this to a point where I'm getting $2,400 a year without even working, I look at it like this. Look, I'm getting an extra tax return for free. I'm literally getting a tax return for free. So why would I not want a free tax return every year? Literally double tax returns with this. So I'm definitely recommend that you guys do this, because dividend reinvesting is a great way to make income without working. And all you got to do is separate a little money every week. You know, I would recommend, honestly, putting about $1,000 every month. If you can put even more, I mean, I've done 1,000 in a week. So I would honestly put 50% of your income, whatever you're making, put 50% of it into dividend paying stocks. And if you really want to get that free cell phone a month and free gym membership a month, then go ahead and don't do the drip program. Set it to send you a check by mail. So you're going to go here to account. Let's take a look. You would go to account. And here in account, you're going to go to profile. Hold on. Sorry, not profile. It's a account. Oh, okay. You go to account. And right here under account, you're going to click on, you're going to go to dividend reinvestment, and here you can click on either automatically reinvest cash dividend payments into additional shares of the underlying stock or fund, or you can disable this and they'll send you a check in the mail. So this is pretty cool. You know, this is really cool. And honestly, if you really want to get that check in the mail and you want to actually feel like, oh yeah, damn, I don't have to pay my gym, I don't have to pay, you know, my cell phone bill, I want my stocks to pay it for me, then definitely disable dividend reinvestment. But if you want to grow even more money on the money that you're making, use the drip. Like, I would strongly recommend putting the drip. So definitely check out, let me just twist this back up. Check out the ACP. Check out the DX, which is Dynex Capital, and check out the, let's see here, the Prospect Capital. Definitely check out these companies, and this is easy, free money that you guys can be making. I'm going to go ahead and provide the link. There you go. I'm back, guys. I'm going to go ahead and provide the link to my Robinhood account so you guys can get one free share on me. So you can get between $5 to $150. So definitely you got to do this. Like, I don't understand why people aren't buying stocks right now. I don't know why the stock market isn't full of just everyone investing. Like, you guys got to stop. I don't want to tell you how to live your life, but you got to stop spending your money on dumb shit, and you got to start thinking about the future. And that's a big issue that we have. A lot of people don't think about the future, and the future is really important. So I went ahead and used these recommendations from Graham Stephans, and I'm going to go ahead and put this video up for you guys right now so you guys can start making some money. So thanks again, and make sure to quick flip. Okay, guys? See ya.